Where can you find this art installation featuring vintage street lamps? Where can you find this art installation featuring vintage street lamps? Now we'll give you 4 options and you try to guess which one from these 4 options that you think is the correct answer for the question, and here is the list of the option. The first option is Los Angeles, second option is Miami, the third option is Las Vegas, and the last option is Phoenix. So from these 4 options, what do you think? Which one is the correct answer for the question? And now let me give you the correct answer for the question. And the correct answer for the question is this. The correct answer for the question is Los Angeles. So that's the answer, Los Angeles. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video very useful, you can help this channel to grow by subscribing to the channel. Click the subscribe button and like this video. And if you want to share it with your friends, just go ahead, click the share button and you can share it to any social media that you wish. And if you want to comment in this video, just go ahead, find comment section and comment. Say whatever you want in it. I think that's all of it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you again in another video. Bye bye.